Do you want to go in front and get the?
I've been getting on front. No.
Now he's being shy.
Okay.
I just did.
Which way are we going, Jeff?
Oh, just follow me. Jeez.
Yeah, you notice how that works? Jedi stuff right there.
Uh-oh. I'm having a Tim moment.
You lost?
Well, I don't remember which way we go if we're going to go through the tea fields.
You gotta go fast.
I don't know where the tea fields are. But we're not going that way, Tim. Huh?
We're gonna go down to the wood chip.
Yeah. Which way is the wood chips?
What?
Oh, you said tea field. Oh, wood chips is that way. Okay, that's the way we're going. Yeah, I know. I had tea field in my head because you guys are talking about the tea field. That's the way, Timmy. Oh boy. But this is the way we came up. Okay, this is much better on my other bike. Why is it so difficult today? I'm going to, but where am I going? Oh, this way. Well, this bike seems really bouncy today. Oh, hello. You behind me. Or not. You probably still are. Hello. Ah. I am a okay. Good go coming down. Wow, this bike is squirrely after my last year.
I know.
You what? Were they expecting to what?